For the bent over easy bar row, obtain an easy bar and set your grip at approximately shoulder width. You can use an underhand or an overhand grip. Brace your core and begin bending over by flexing at the hips, not the spine. Only go as far as you can keep your spine neutral. Your spine will be anywhere between a 90 to 120 degree angle from the floor, depending on your flexibility. Once you have reached the starting position, begin the movement by bringing your elbows to the ceiling. Focus on squeezing your scapula together, and the bar should touch somewhere above your navel. When reversing the movement, do not let your scapula protract all of the way. Maintain some level of retraction even at the bottom of the movement. Repeat for the desired amount of repetitions. When finished, you can simply lower the barbell to the floor.